morning, Full Speed SA supporters. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. I just woke up this morning to a very, very, very pleasant surprise. Yeah, our panel beater came here 6 o'clock this morning, called me up and was like, yo, come outside. Your thingy is ready. So yeah, woke me up quite early, but I was very, very happy, and I'm very excited to show you guys how the bumper looks now. So here we have it, stored in the lounge for now. Bumper back and ready to go back on the car. Right guys, so I'm gonna attempt to start the Lumina now, since it's been standing for a little bit. The battery went a bit flat. Luckily my dad helped me out and got it charged up for me. So now, as you can see, it's been standing under the cover since it was raining for the last week or so. And also I needed to get a cover because the car's paint was starting to fade really badly. We'll get to the whole wrapping of the bonnet and the roof part very soon, so guys must stay tuned for that, and also obviously subscribe to get notified. So go ahead and do that right now, why not? But right now we're just gonna get a cold start of the car.
Okay. I'm full of smoke now also.
Oh, she's been standing too long. Looks like she's got a slight misfire. Time for that service, guys. Baby's always up and running. Now I just got to get some tires on this baby so I can drive her a little bit. Guys, I love this car cover. Yeah, this thing really keeps the interior nice and protected from the harsh UV rays of the sun. You know, I got that over there protecting the dashboard as well. I should have actually done it a lot sooner, then my paint wouldn't have started to fade. But you know how us procrastinators are, man. It's a problem. So before refitting the bumper, there was a few things I had to check out, like the water bottle or overflow reservoir for the radiator that sits behind the front left fender. This bottle had been squashed when the accident happened, so I had to have a look at it and just see how severe the damage was. And as you can see, it's been opened up there on the side, and also it had been bent in places. So I cleaned it out and just put it back in place because, well, I didn't really have a choice because the metal surrounding it was still a bit bent, and I would obviously have to get it to a body shop or panel beating shop to get straightened out for the bottle to fit 100%. So just for now, I decided to put it back in its original place, and at some points I'm gonna have to seal it up somehow so that we do not have any leaks. But for now I'm just going to drive with it like this, and hopefully in the near future I can replace it with a brand new one. So as you can see, it's been a bit bent and twisted, but it will do the job for now. So now it's time to see if I can refit the bumper, but as you'll see shortly, I run into a few speed humps along the way. So you'll notice here that the spotlight housing, or the cutout where the spotlight is mounted, is hitting up against the crash bar right over there, which doesn't make sense to me because the crash bar in the accident had raised a little bit upwards, but at the same time our panel beater had reinforced the bumper right in that area with so much fiberglass that I'm thinking it is a bit too thick, and now it is causing it to knock up against the crash bar. But as you'll see in a few seconds, I was actually wrong about this theory. Right, so I got the bumper here inside, and I'm gonna attempt, well, I've been attempting already to remove some of this. As you saw, I showed you, this is blocking, hitting up against the crash bar and blocking the bumper from going on. So I'm just gonna shave a little bit of this spotlight housing, and hopefully it will be enough to make it work. Let's check it out. So this is what it looks like after I cut away some of the top. I'm really hoping that that's going to be more than enough. I have a good feeling that it will be, but there's only one way to find out. So it's come to my attention that it's not just the crash bar that's hindering me, but also this plastic damaged, what do they call it, valance. So yeah, I'll be removing that shortly before I test the bumper, or test fit the bumper. Yeah, it gives me an excuse to take this thing off and get it repaired as well. Well guys, I cannot say I am the happiest man on the planet. Unfortunately, the damage was too severe. And as you can see, obviously this is a combination of the fender moving in, the whole crash bar, and basically the whole corner of this car being pushed in. So that's understandable. but I didn't think it was going to look this bad and the gap would be this big. Yeah, so already I've got an idea. Gonna be like the JDM guys, you know, be like the JDM guys. Lift this thing up, put maybe like a clamp thing over here. I don't know guys, I know a lot of people are gonna hate on me for even thinking of that, but yeah, what am I gonna do until I get a brand new bumper and get this whole thing panel beated at a proper panel beating shop? I mean, I can always drive around with it like this. It's not the end of the world, and at the end of the day, it doesn't affect the performance of the car, so I'm super happy with that. But yeah, it's just a little disappointing that you have to drive around with like the blue eye, you know, with like a cut in your eye. It's alright, it's just battle scars. On this side, everything's fine, obviously, because there was no damage on this side. So that lines up nicely. Everything's okay on the driver's side. It's just over here. Nonetheless, much better than what it was before. And guess I can't complain too much, I guess. Also, you'll just notice over here, right at the bottom, it has like makes like a little bubble, just because of the flex that the bumper has to go through right now. So I'm gonna leave it on the car. Hopefully, maybe with the temperature changing and the heat, you know, maybe it will flex it, just help with that flex a bit. And also, ooh, dizzy. I'm gonna see if I can give it a bit of heat gun and just see if it makes a difference. Otherwise, I'll just leave it like that, and at a later stage, maybe just put a lip on here or something. But we'll see. Also, comment below, what do you guys think about cleaning your engine? What is your take? Do you think it's a good thing to regularly clean your engine, or leave it dusty like mine? Honestly, I think it's awesome to clean your engine and to keep it clean, but I don't think it's necessary unless you're showing it off at a car show or whatever. But let me know in the comments what you guys think. So on the color side of things, I must say, matches up quite nicely. Happy with that, I must say. Yeah, it looks good. Looks good, guys. What do you guys think? I won't mind driving it around like this. I haven't been driving my car much at all, so just to get it back on the road looking like something makes me smile. Alright guys, thank you once again for joining me on another full speed video. There's a lot more I still have to do on the car, as you guys can see. Fitment of the grille, and putting the spotlights back, putting the valance back, doing that whole mesh cover thing at the bottom. So there's a lot still that needs to be done. I still have to renew the headlights, but just want to let you guys know I'm going to be doing all of these things with products from Temu, just to keep it interesting here on the channel, and just so that we can keep the ball rolling, because obviously Temu products are quite affordable. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to that, to get like a little series going with Temu products on the car, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. But there's a lot more to be done. I'm looking forward to finishing up the car. We still have to wrap the bonnet, wrap the boot and the roof, and yeah, I just gotta close my eyes and get this stuff done so that I can get the content out to you guys. But guys, thank you for making it this far in the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe if you have not done so already. I really appreciate it that you guys take a little bit of time out of your day to watch my content. And yeah, comment below. Let me know what you guys think of my car. Let me know what you guys think of the content, what else you guys would like to see, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Full speed. So I want to try something new, guys. I want to see if I can aux mic somewhere close to the what you call it, the exhaust, so that I can get some nice POV footage for you guys, and so that you guys can actually hear what my car sounds like, or at least hear what I hear, what I think. I think I hear. What I think you should think I hear. Yeah, so anyway guys, I'm just gonna give it a little test before I do anything, and then the footage ends up being a whole flop. So it's a good test day because the wind is actually quite bad.